You're clapping. Can you wave hello? Hello. Hi. Hi, Alex. There's a wave. Let's see. You want to show everybody how you can stand up? You pull yourself up. What? You want Mama's flip-flop? The Mama's flip-flop? Oh, you stole my flip-flop. Alex just had his bath and his helmet is drying, so I figured we better get some footage of him without his helmet. You can see what he really looks like. Alex, look at Mama. Hi. Hello. Can you say hi? Oh, you waving? Hi. Can you clap? Clap your hands. Can you be adorable? Oh, yes. You're good at that. He is pulling up. I'll try to get a video of that later. Look at those long legs. This kid's gonna be tall. Oh yes, and he's crawling full time. Hi! What's wrong? Go get him. Go get him. Go get the doggy. Go get him. Are you saying bye-bye? Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye. That's the dishwasher. Bye-bye, Alex. Bye-bye. Waving bye-bye to Mama. Okay, that door's open back there. I better go.